Hello friends, welcome to Jenica Diaries. Today let's prepare a non-veg starter which is mostly loved by everyone. It's chili chicken. So let's get started. I have taken half kg chicken, cut into small cubes. Let us marinate it now. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it well. And let it rest for half an hour. Add oil in a kadai, let it heat. Drop in the chicken pieces one by one. Keep the flame on medium and allow the chicken pieces to fry. The chicken pieces are almost fried. Remove it in an absorbent paper and now fry the rest of the pieces as well. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and garlic each. Fry it. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Give it a mix. Add 1 large onion cut into cubes. One capsicum cut into cubes. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. The flame should be on high. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Give it a mix. Now add salt as per taste and mix it. Add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Add half cup of corn flour slurry. Mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix. And now it's time to add the fried chicken. The chicken pieces should be coated well with a mixture of sauce and corn flour. Switch off the flame and garnish it with spring onion greens. The delicious chili chicken is ready to be served. If you like this recipe, please like it and share with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe to Jenica Diaries and click on the bell icon. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.